True love is not about finding someone perfect. It is about loving someone perfectly despite their flaws. When I look into your eyes, I see my home, my peace, and my forever. True love whispers in silence and screams in the heart. It never fades even in distance. You are the poem I never knew how to write, and this heart beats your name every second. True love is when your soul recognizes another and feels safe without needing words. Every heartbeat reminds me that you are the rhythm my life was waiting for. True love does not ask for anything, it just gives endlessly without condition. You are not just my love, you are my region, my calm, my internal flame. When love is true, time cannot fade it, distance cannot break it, and silence cannot kill it. True love feels like peace after a storm, quiet, strong, and unshakable. You are the dream I never want to wake from, the truth my heart always knew. Real love does not fade with time, it deepens, grows, and becomes infinite. True love means saying the same soul in every lifetime. I found my forever the moment I found you. When love is true, it feels like coming home, no matter where you are. You are not just in my heart, you are my heart. True love is patient, gentle, and powerful enough to heal every scar. I don't need 1,000 reasons to love you. I only need your heartbeat near mine. True love never fears goodbyes because it always finds its way back. When I hold you, the whole world fades and only eternity remains. True love is not a fairy tale, it is two hearts choosing each other every day. No distance, no storm, no time can break what is real between us. My love for you is the quiet kind, the kind that stay even when unspoken. True love means not needing to say I love you to be understood. You are my once in a lifetime miracle, my reason to believe in forever. True love is not about changing someone, it is about growing together. When love is real, every touch feels like a promise kept. You are my sunrise and my stars, everything beautiful between them. True love is when two hearts beat in different bodies but share one rhythm. Loving you is not a choice, it is the most natural thing my soul has ever done. True love never rushes, it knows eternity is worth the wait. Every time I say I love you, I mean it more than before. True love is when even silence feels like a sweet conversation. I have met thousands, but only you felt like destiny. When love is true, you don't chase, you connect deeply and endlessly. True love is rare, pure, and powerful enough to move worlds. My heart did not fall in love, it found its missing piece. Real love is felt in the moments when words are too small. You are the only truth my heart believes in completely. True love is when two imperfect souls create something perfect together. With you, I have learned that love is not found, it is built moment by moment. True love stays loyal even in chaos, it chooses again and again. You are my peace in a world that never stops spinning. True love does not need proof, it is seen in every small act of care. When I think of forever, your name is the only one that feels right beside it. True love does not fade with age, it grows stronger with every heartbeat. You are the prayer I never knew how to say, but God still answers. True love is a melody your heart never forgets. Every time I see you smile, I remember why my soul chose you. True love is when even the pain feels worth it because it leads you closer. You are my heart's favorite story, written by destiny itself. True love never seeks to own, it seeks to cherish. Every time our eyes meet, I fall in love all over again. True love does not end, it transforms, it transcends, it internalizes. You are my forever in a world of temporary things. True love lives in the space between our words and the rhythm of our hearts. I never believed in forever until I met you. True love does not just make life better, it gives life meaning. You are not my world, you are my universe, my every heartbeat. True love is when your soul whispers, it is you, and never stops believing it. Please like and share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.